Hello, it's Autumn here, and today I want to tell you a really funny experience. And that this actually just happened today. It's a really frustrating experience at school, so I'm just gonna explain it to you now. So, as you can see, we are having this exam, which is going to last for like 2 weeks or so. And today was the day we had our dictation examination, and we were kind of freaking out because the teacher, which is this teacher, was always late. So while I was waiting for my teacher, I actually said to my friend, Zira, my best friend, how anxious I was. So our teacher was finally here and she handed us the paper. And since recess, this was like the first period, and we have like the first class, and our first class was actually the dictation examination, sorry. And recess should be starting at 9:15 and at 9:30. But guess what was the time? It's 9. Great. But at 9:15, I was supposed to find my music teacher about like the interclass singing competition, about working on like the choir team needs to like, I don't know, sing some other, I don't know, just yeah. But can you believe it? It's 9 past 10. So I was like really frustrated and hopeless at the same time because I was in the middle of an exam. Actually, people sitting behind me were already like cursing bad words about losing the recess, something like that. So at last our whole class ended up losing our recess just because of our teacher being late. So this was really what happened today, and me and Zira, let me write that down, sorry. Whoops. So Zira was pretty ticked off too because she was actually our teacher's helper and she's like always helping our teacher. So she was like really ticked off, and I would tell you guys about her more in in my future videos because she's a really cool cat. Everybody say hi to my best friend Zira. And Zira's probably watching this too, so hey friend. So yeah guys, that's pretty much what I want to tell you today. Even though it's an awkward one. So anyway, I really hope you guys liked it. So yeah. Bye.